So then guys, if you're a fan of the MacBook Neo, or maybe you haven't purchased one just yet, but you're looking to get one, maybe you should wait out maybe a little bit longer because the new MacBook Neo 2, we've already got leaks and rumors for it. And I, for one, am super excited for this next generation of the MacBook Neo. Now, the current MacBook Neo has been a massive hit. It's only come out about a month ago and already it is flying off the shelves. So much so that even if you see from this report right here, it's looking likely that if you want to get a new MacBook Neo, at least from Apple Direct, well, you're going to have to wait out till about May time to get one. That is how successful this MacBook Neo has been, because it's absolutely amazing for the price you are getting with this machine. You get a full aluminium design. You get some good speakers with it too. You also get the likes of a fantastic keyboard to write on, a full macOS experience with Apple Intelligence and all the goodies too. And then also inside, you've got a really efficient chip, what is the A18 Pro chip. And this is obviously a bin down version, one GPU core bin down version of the ones that we had with the likes of the iPhone 16 Pro models. And it's been absolutely amazing. I've been using it over the last month for lots of different things, and it's been more than capable for everyday tasks. So yeah, I for one am a massive fan of it. And like I said, the best thing about this MacBook Neo, if you got the educator's discount, you can actually pick this up for less than $500, $499 US for the 256GB storage model, and then $599 for the one that actually has 512GB of storage and also Touch ID added too. It also comes in some fantastic colors right now, and like I said, it has been a massive hit out there. But like I just said a moment ago, one of the problems with the MacBook Neo is how good the MacBook Neo is, that it's been a complete success. So like I said, it's flying off the shelves and it's hard to get your hands on it. And that's why I say you might want to wait out for the MacBook Neo 2, because it's going to have one big significant upgrade inside of this machine. And that is all to do with its chip. Now, the chip inside of it, like I said right now, is the A18 Pro. More than likely, what Apple are going to do for the next version of the MacBook Neo 2, as we can see from this leak right here, that chip will be upgraded to the likes of the A19 Pro. And the great thing about having an A19 Pro is that it's even more efficient than the A18 Pro, more powerful too, and then also we get other bits and advantages with AI and things like this, local on the machine, even though I wouldn't push it too hard. But the other cool thing is that you also get upgraded to 12GB of RAM instead of the standard 8GB we have right now. Because I think this has been a main sticking point for a lot of people, that 8GB in their heads, or for most people, are thinking this is not enough. But at the end of the day, with 12GB of RAM, I know a lot of you guys are going to think that's a little bit better what you can get there. I know a lot of you are going to say you would want at least 16GB, but you know, 12 is better than 8. So this is going to be a big selling point for the new MacBook Neo. So yeah, I for one am super excited to get this new upgrade inside of this machine. But first, just quickly guys, I want to tell you about the giveaway we're doing on this channel, and believe it or not, it's for a Mac Mini with an M4 Pro, and I'm going to be giving it away to one lucky subscriber when we get to 800,000 subscribers. And if you look right now, that is not that far away. And this is an international giveaway. So whether you're anywhere in the USA, you're anywhere in any of the Americas, if you are in Europe, if you're in India, Pakistan, you name it, I'll be giving it away in this international giveaway. Now, to enter into this giveaway, it's quite simple. There's 3 things you need to do. The first thing you need to do right now is make sure you are a subscriber, because I'm giving this away to a lucky subscriber. So make sure you do that. The other thing to do is make sure that you share this video with your friends and family and get them to subscribe too, because the second we hit 800,000 subscribers, that is when I can start to give away this Mac Mini M4 Pro model. So yeah, really exciting times to do that. So make sure you share it right now. Now, the other thing that you guys need to do is put down into the comments below of what technology gear you're hoping to get in 2026. Maybe it is going to be a new Mac Mini. Maybe it's going to be a MacBook Neo or an iPhone. Maybe it's got nothing to do with Apple whatsoever. Maybe it could be a PS5, a Switch 2 from Nintendo. Whatever it is, put it down in the comments below. Now, the third thing that you guys need to do is make sure after you press subscribe to hit that notification bell, because soon after I get to 800,000 subscribers, I'm going to be making you guys a video giving you more details about the giveaway, including a form to fill in too, and you won't want to miss out on that video because it also provides you when I'll do the live stream to give away that Mac Mini. So make sure you hit that bell, and also when you share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't done it, make sure you do it right now. Tell them to also hit the notification bell too. The last thing I just want to quickly say to you guys is sadly there are still lots of scammers out there. People still, impersonating me, telling you to WhatsApp, Instagram message and things like this. Just ignore these people. Best you can see right here. Please do report them. So moving on from this then, what other kind of upgrades or changes could we have with the MacBook Neo? And then also what about its release date and also its price? Well, let's talk about changes first of all. As this design has only just come out and it's a brand new design that Apple have designed from the ground up, well, I don't think the design is going to really be changed whatsoever, if anything. I think the closest thing that we could potentially get is a new color. Just like, for example, this render right here, you could get a sage green instead added. This would be really, really cool. This is the same color of like a normal iPhone 17. This color is available. This might be an option. Well, there might also be another option for a purple color or a red color potentially. But the main thing is, I don't think the overall design of the MacBook Neo is going to change whatsoever. It's also likely that things like the 500 nits display is not going to be upgraded to be any brighter. Do not expect that. Also, do not expect things like True Tone. Do not expect anything else kind of upgrades like backlit keyboards. This is most likely not going to be coming with this design of this machine. So if you have been seeing videos out there or leaks and rumors telling you otherwise, it is a wish list. And I can tell you that right now, it will not change. The biggest change, the only thing that will happen is probably the chip. And a big evidence that this does happen is have a look at the current MacBook Air line, the MacBook Pro line that we have right now. Apart from maybe the odd new color and maybe a slightly brighter display when they can push it, the only change we've actually ever seen is just the chip inside. So the same here with the MacBook Neo. Don't expect more ports. Don't expect a backlit keyboard or anything like that. That will not be coming in the next generation. So I just wanted to put that right now to bed. Do not expect that. And if other people are saying it is coming, personally, don't believe them because it's not. But next of all then, what about the release date and the price then? Well, more than likely that the pricing, I'm going to say, for this MacBook Neo is probably going to stay the same. And also the configuration of the storage is probably going to also stay the same for the next version. So this will still be 256 gigabytes, and you'll be able to pick this up for $599 or with educator's discount, you'll be able to pick this up for $499. And then the 512 gigabyte model, same thing, $699, or with educators, you'll be able to pick this up for $599. And of course, you also get the likes of, say, the Touch ID button. And that is really what's going to be changing, that as well with the A19 Pro. Now, for release time then of this new MacBook Neo, if we've learned anything about MacBooks now with Apple, they tend to release a new MacBook model every year. And personally, I think this is going to be the same sort of situation. The MacBook Neo is probably going to be updated every 12 to 15 months or so. So most likely the new MacBook Neo 2 is going to come available next year around about March time or April time, or the latest would probably be WWDC 2027. That would be the absolute latest time we would actually see an update to this. And obviously we'd get the A19 Pro chip put inside of this too. But really, guys, that is everything that we know about the MacBook Neo 2. The main change is the chip, and then that is really going to be it. No backlit keyboard, no redesign, no better display like ProMotion or MagSafe. None of that is coming whatsoever. But are you going to wait out for the new MacBook Neo 2? Are you going to get one when it comes out, or are you going to get yourself the standard MacBook Neo when it does come available, what we have right now? Let me know in the comments below. And on that note as well, guys, it's time to wrap up the video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.